if you're getting the message your password has expired and must be changed on Windows 7, and every time you try to create a new password it says the passwords you entered did not match, then this video will help you fix it in just a few seconds. At first I thought there was something wrong with the password or maybe even the virtual machine itself. I kept trying different passwords but nothing worked. No matter what I entered, Windows kept giving the same error message. The solution is actually very simple, and you might even feel a little silly after seeing it. When the password change screen appears, don't type anything at all. Just leave the password, new password and confirm password boxes completely empty. Now simply press the enter key on your keyboard or click the arrow button. Windows will start changing the password, and after a few seconds you should see a message that says your password has been changed. Just click OK and that's it. The problem is fixed and you should be able to continue logging in normally. So if you're stuck on the password expire screen and Windows won't accept any new password you enter, try leaving all the fields blank and submitting them. In many cases that is all you need to do. That's all for this video. If this quick fix helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech fixes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.